Okay, you're looking at a touchscreen replacement on an LG VX11000. So the breakdown of LG, they're pretty tight of a design, so that you kind of have to muscle this out. So the first steps you do is take off these two cover tabs on the inside with a kind of a flat screw head. There I go for the ones on the back. Again, not pretty, but seems to be the best way to get these things out. What you're doing right now is just getting all the screws open and ready to be pulled out. Now we're going to change out the screw head and go for the screws. There's some right there, some right there. There's three over here, and there's the two that you already popped open that are available to take out for the moment. Out. We're going to go for the internal ones. Nice, this LG used all the same type of screws for, I believe, the whole entire phone, so it makes your life a little easier having to figure out where to put these things back. Okay, we're all out here. You're going to take your little safe pry tool here and kind of wedge it in, continuing the unpretty opening of this phone. There you go. Starting to open up here. Another uncool thing about this phone is you got to take the entire thing apart to get a touchscreen fixed. There is that first body taken out. And there's your buttons. At this point, there's a screw back there and a cover you're going to take out, kind of like how you did in the right over there. That little kind of plastic material that sticks to it. So you're going to wedge in there, and oof, this is not an easy one. It's your first little cover. And your second one's back on the back side over here. And it's out. Now we're going to take the screws out of here because you have access to it now to open up your front screen. One. And there's your other if I can get in there. Okay, so now those are out, and now it's time to get the screen popped open. So you do that by taking your little safe pry tool and going around the edges. little piece of tape right there. Use your finger, but use that today. And then there's that little latch right there. You can use your fingernail and pop it up, and then that whole thing comes out. Now you notice that's the issue. There's some kind of like stuff that I don't know what it is, but it's broken. And we're going to go ahead and take your new touchscreen component right there, pop that in, cover it up, and screw everything back together, and you're going to have yourself a working touchscreen on an LG VX11000. And this thing right here costs about $5 or $10 on eBay, so it's really cheap. It's when you get this component right here, it's like a double-sided screen, that's when you start looking at like $50 on eBay to buy it. So pretty simple stuff. If all else fails, go to BuyMyTronics.com and sell it, and sell all your other phones and iPods and iPhones. Have a good day. Enjoy.